how to add a subscribe form to a website in Beehiiv. So to get started, go ahead and open Beehiiv into your preferred browser, and then once you're on Beehiiv, sign into your account. And then go ahead and click on the audience drop down at the left side of your screen. Under that, you'll find the subscribe form. So click on that and then click on this create new form at the top right. And that will take you into the section. So as you can see in here, you can go ahead and set the title, the subtitle, and the form of your subscribe form. You can also set the color, the background. You can upload an image background, a gradient background, or any background that you prefer to use for this. So I'll simply use an image background. So you can actually upload it from your own drive or search it from Unsplash. So I'll simply search it from Unsplash, and then once you have selected a background that you want to use, simply click on it and that will be placed into your page in here. So as you can see, you can also set the overlay capacity along with the mode, and then you can also set the background border of your text to none to be able to ensure that your heading text perfectly mixes with your background. And then once you're done with this, you can simply click on the Save Changes button at the top right of your screen to save the changes that you've made for this page. And that is how you can basically add a subscribe form to a website in Beehiiv. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.